Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. We'll get right to the point. I just want to do a little plug for the channel. If you have one of these types of cars, and you probably do if you're looking for tire pressure, you'll want to subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video after. It's up to you. And next time you need a problem fixed on it, you can just go to my playlist of this car and you'll find a whole bunch of stuff on it. Let's get right to the video. Where is the tire pressure label? It's in a weird spot. Now, normally they have them on this tag right here in this door, or maybe on a back door. I looked everywhere. Nope. Guess where it is? It's in the trunk of all places. I've seen paint codes in the trunk, but not this. So if you look at this sticker here, I'll get a little bit of a close-up to it. There's your tire size. And on the other side, there's the pressure that should be either in kilopascals or pounds per square inch. That way you know too which, and that's of course cold tire pressure. Just in case you're not sure what size of tire, this should be on there. Anyway, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up, please. And remember, I've got a whole bunch more videos on this car. Check out my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. It's easy. Little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. We'll get